Hi everyone, welcome back to Hometime XYZ. It's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be making a keto coconut bread, or you can call it drops, but let's do it. Okay everyone, just to let you know, so the difference in coconut, so I grated this one myself, fresh coconut, and you see it's dry and soft and it has all its natural juices, and this one is dry flakes, right? So I wanted to try both to see if it's gonna have a difference in the taste, because this has all of the milks and everything in it fresh, and this is dried out. So let's try one with this now and see what we get. Okay everyone, so this is the fresh coconut coming out, and it looks like my son got hungry and decided that he needed to use the air fryer as well. Okay everyone, so it pretty much looks the same as the dry shredded coconut one. The top is crispy, and let's cut it open and see. Inside seems to be moist the same way. Okay everyone, so we have two coconut bread. Now we have one with the fresh coconut, one with the dried shredded coconut from the bulk store. The one with the fresh coconut, you can see the husk in it, but they're both crispy on the outside and soft and moist on the inside. I will suggest you can wrap it up so keep it moist so it doesn't get too dry on the inside, because coconut tends to dry stuff out. But I hope you try it. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Please share the video, subscribe, and I hope you like it. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.